Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I am gonna show you how to fix Snapchat video sound not working. So without wasting time, let's start how to fix it. Open the Snapchat application on your device firstly, and tap on your profile icon on the top left of your screen. And then tap on the gear-like icon on the top right of your screen. You will see the option for notifications under my account. Tap on that, and make sure all the toggle buttons in here are toggled on. After that, now launch the settings application on your device. Now scroll down and go to apps or app list or app management according to device settings. And then find out Snapchat app manually or searching. And tap on it. Tap on permission. Here make sure allow all necessary permission, especially microphone. After that, check if the issue has been fixed or not. If not, restart your device. As restarting the device fixes majority of issues on your device. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe my channel.